This Invicta Black Prince was originally sold new in South Africa in 1949 to a British Army Major who was posted there. Invicta released the Black Prince in 1946 as part of their plans to revive the company that ceased production several years before World War II. The Black Prince was designed to take on the British luxury car heavyweights. To achieve this, the Black Prince featured many options that its rival did not, including the highest quality leather interior, an aluminium body, aluminium engine block, fully independent suspension, inbuilt electric car jacking system, a trickle charger, and a built-in radio. A total of only 16 Black Princes were built, and only 6 of them received the Drop Head Coupe body. Ultra rare and probably never to be seen again.